Welcome to Solution Hub. Whether you've been with us or just found your way here, we're excited to welcome you to our channel, to tackling your everyday challenges. In this video, we will demonstrate an easy method for identifying the password of the Wi-Fi network to which your PC is currently connected. If you are new to the channel, hit subscribe and become a family of Solution Hub. Let's navigate life's puzzles together. To start, first you have to access your network and establish a connection to your Wi-Fi. Then, go to your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Then, open Network and Sharing Center. Then, find the Wi-Fi you are connected in and open it. Now you are in the Wi-Fi status section, where you can see the password. Next, click on Wi-Fi properties. Then click on Wi-Fi security. Lastly, click on Show Characters. Here is the password or security of the Wi-Fi you are currently connected in.